Innovation Shankul is a wonderful ecosystem created by GTU. We are the part of that. We are lucky that we have been constantly supported by the industries around. In the very first meeting, when we said that we have around 1200 students to be supported this year for the project, and the next day, our industrial arm, that is BDMA, Bharuch District Management Association, they have forwarded a list of 450 industries from various industrial estates. We are lucky that we have 16 industrial estates around with 8 SEZ zones. We have more than 1600 SMEs and more than 100 multinational companies around, and they all are supporting us. We started our journey with the first meeting with the industrial peoples, then with the academic peoples. Till now we have done 6 meetings, and we have carried out 2 programs. One for the entire zone for creating IDP, UDP competitions, including the poster competitions. More than 125 projects were selected from various colleges, and I think 275 students participated in the competitions, and awards were given. That is given a boost. Now our future program is to organize at least 7 days workshop or a short-term training program on various techniques of innovations. That will be our next program, and probably that will be in the month of June. So this is how we are going ahead. And one thing is, we are working in a team. We have 13 colleges in the Sankuls, and all 13 colleges are supporting the Sankuls, and we are working in a teamwork. And in meeting also, everybody is supporting the program of GTU Innovation Sankuls, and we are lucky that we have like-minded people in our institutions as well as in other institutions. Thank you.
In association with industry, based on industrial problem, the proposal from GTU itself is an innovative one. And the concept once arrived, we have started our journey of Sodh Yatra from 1st June 2011, I think. And from the first meeting, we have understood what is required for Sodh Yatra, and what we have done, we have made it 2 groups. One is a homogeneous and heterogeneous group. In heterogeneous group, what we have done, we have clubbed MBA students, MCA students, and engineering students, and we have sent them to industry to see how a particular industry works and how students of young mind and young capabilities can help the industry to solve or to automate their system of working. And we are fortunate to receive a good response from the industry. There were small scale industry of like woodworking and all, but students of our whole heterogeneous group have done wonderful job, and they have come with a good innovation in it. As far as the role of director is concerned, as Sir has mentioned, we are working in a team, and it was for me as a director of engineering, there were 3 colleges, Valia, GEC Bharuch, and ourselves. So we had an opportunity, or I had an opportunity to visit all the colleges during our whole academic year, and we have witnessed good project presentation, and we have on the Ankleshwar Bharuch Innovation Sankul level, we have organized competitions, and we have awarded first and second prize to all the students who have participated. So that is a good boost up for the students and upcoming students, and we are ready to face the same challenge for the next iteration. Thank you.
I'm Pratima from SVMIT Bharuch. Actually, our project is on improving purity of tartaric acid from 96 to 98%. Making an innovation in a chemical field is becoming difficult because it's already very developed and research is going on. But still, we are trying to do our best because we feel that nothing is impossible. We are trying to make some equipments which will help us improve the purity of
हम लोग
data.
हैंड रिटन कैरेक्टर रिकॉग्निशन का प्रोजेक्ट बना रहे हैं। उसका मेन एम यही है कि अगर कोई पुरानी बुक है या कोई किसी ने भी हाथ से लिखा हुआ कोई भी डॉक्यूमेंट्स है तो हम लोग उसको डिजिटाइज करना चाहते हैं, यानी कि वर्ड माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड या कोई भी एडिटर के अंदर वो एडिटेबल टेक्स्ट में हम उसको कन्वर्ट करना चाहते हैं। उसका मेन बेनिफिट ये रहेगा फॉर पर्टिकुलर इंडिया के लिए कि हिंदुस्तान के अंदर बहुत पुराने ऐसे ग्रंथ या ऐसे बहुत पुराने जो किताबें हैं जो उसको डिजिटाइज करके उसको एक डिजिटल लाइब्रेरी में कन्वर्ट करना यानी एक बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट होगा जो हमारे प्रोजेक्ट के थ्रू मे बी आगे पॉसिबल हो सकता है। सो वी आर हमने एक इनोवेशन यहाँ से स्टार्ट किया है और ये हमारा प्रोजेक्ट होगा।
This is Chavi Srivastava representing my team Innovative Hands. We are doing a project on hand gesture recognition. The main aim of this project is to replace the conventional input devices with bare hand gestures. We do this with the help of pattern matching and pattern recognition, and we would like to move it to the robotics as the main application of our project.